how to create a website without coding using Squarespace Blueprint AI. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a website without any coding experience at all using Squarespace Blueprint AI. So if you have never built a website before, don't worry, this is a super beginner friendly. So before we start, let's quickly talk about what Squarespace actually is. So Squarespace is an all-in-one website builder that lets you create professional-looking websites like a business website, online stores, portfolios, and blogs, all without writing a single line of code. Everything is a drag and drop. The templates look really clean, and your website automatically works on mobile, tablet, and desktop. What's nice about Squarespace is that it doesn't just stop at design, it also comes with a built-in tools for things like online payments, marketing, analytics, scheduling, and content management. Plus, Squarespace takes care of hosting, security, and updates for you, so you can just focus on building your site. Now, with Blueprint AI, Squarespace makes things even easier. You just answer a few questions about your website, and it automatically creates a layout and structure for you. Basically, it does the hard work for you in just a few minutes. So in this tutorial, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your own website using Squarespace Brooklyn AI. So let's get started. So first you can go to Squarespace website, squarespace.com. After that, as you can see, this is the homepage. So you can go ahead to the get started here. And then in this page, you can, choose the topic or the industry of your website. I'm gonna choose technology here, click next. And then you can choose what do you want to do with your website. I'm gonna maybe choose sell services and then sell products and then promote a physical business. You can choose whatever you want here and then click next. After that, you can choose how would you like to get started, a website builder or professional website templates. I'm gonna choose build a website with a website builder, and then it will brings you to the Blueprint AI. You can choose your site title and brand personality. I'm gonna choose tutorial with Sena here for my set name, and then I'm gonna choose professional for my brand personality. You can just click next. And then now you can build your homepage. So as you can see on the left side, this is the preview. So there are three recommendations from the Squarespace. You can choose intro section and then product section and then service section. So these are your website. This is the preview. So if you want add another section, you can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna add footer section and then maybe digital product section and social section. So this is the preview of my website. There is intro section and then the products, then services, and then the membership or yeah, and then this is the social media section and then the footer. And then you can click next. After that, you can choose your page. So I'm gonna add all of the recommendation. So about, contact, shop, and service, and then click next. Then you can choose the color palette. You can choose whatever you want. I prefer maybe not too bright. Maybe that's cool. I think this one or hold on, maybe this one. Then click next. After that, you can choose a font pairing. If professional, you can choose this one, this one or this one. Or you want to playful, or you want to friendly, this one. Probably I'm gonna choose either these two. I'm gonna choose this one, I think. And you can try, another font pairing. It's up to you. And then click finish. And we wait a few seconds. After a few seconds, my website has successfully created. As you can see, this is my domain, and I will get a custom domain later because it will make easier to access. And it's really ugly, with this so long domain. And this is my dashboard. You can customize your website from here. So let's say we're gonna follow this step, this setup step. You can see I have already personalized my site header and logo. I have already customized my brand style, and I'm gonna modify SEO offer search. As you can see, these are my SEO score. This is not good, it's 56% complete. So let's say you want to, prepare for the era of the AI search, you can click the blog post and read it. And then you can just click optimize here. So these are the Squarespace AI. You can just click OK here. And then for the metadata, you can edit it, or if you want to, make it quick, you can just click next. And these are the alt text. So basically, I'm gonna click save here, and then it's 100% complete. So yeah, it's done. And go back to the home dashboard. And then now start selling services. I can add my service, add a service. It's up to you, or you can, connect a payment processor or customize your checkout. It's up to you. So if you are scroll down and you will find, learn basic, it's like, mini tutorials from Squarespace. So there is adding page section, how to adding content with blocks, how to changing fonts. Also for the services, you can create your portfolio page, managing form submission, and also adding a chat logo or browser icon. Also for the invoicing, scheduling, physical goods, and also group events. And if you are scroll down again, you will find Weekend AI. So basically, it's AI for your website business. There is SEO scanner, product composer, and also discount. What is this? It's discount composer. And yeah, and if you want to get a custom domain, you can click it. Or if you don't have a domain yet, you can just click get a domain. And then you can just search your domain. As you can see, my domain tutorial with Sena, it's available. I can purchase it. You can just, search your name or website name. And then if you want to publish your website, you can just click publish your site here. But you have to, upgrade to publish. So basically, you have to select a plan to upgrade, or I mean to publish your site. So I think that's it. How to create a website, Squarespace with Blueprint AI. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.